Alright, what you see right here is a 2020 Scat Pack wide body. We just put H&R lowering spring. H&R. Even though this one has its special shocks, it still works the same process as the other charger, which I'm gonna put the link on the bottom if you want to know how to change this lowering spring. Same process on both car. So I'm gonna show you the video once put the tires back on and put it on the floor. So I got the forward side done. H&R. All right. The owner right there. $20.20. All right, let's put the wheels on and see how it look. That's how it looked before driving it. When you drive, it's gonna set a little more. Nice. Got like a finger and a half. H&R and a wide body. So like I said, after he drive it, it's gonna settle a little. It's gonna go a little lower. I don't know if you remember this one. It's the one we did earlier. That one has the H-back. Now this one has the H&R. 2020. All right. Make sure you like, subscribe, likes, and share. I'll see you in the next one.
You're looking like a construction worker today. Where you going?
Where?
You're looking like you about to stand outside the door.
Got some boots.
Hey, I want mine to stick out like that, man.
Let's do it. This one we got one finger. Finger and a half in the front. So gotta drive that one, let it settle. No va a quemar goma. No va a quemar goma.